Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. Firstly, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you get into the settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then you will be prompted to enter your current passcode. After entering the passcode, it will head you. Scroll down a bit, and now you will see an option to turn passcode off. If you want to proceed, simply tap on it and provide your account password when prompted. Once you have entered the password, click on Turn Off, and you are done. Just a quick note, you will need to confirm by entering the current password one last time, and that's it. The passcode has been successfully turned off, and you can set it up again whenever you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.